Another video. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to be showing you how to prepare tomatoes and eggs. And so let's get straight to our ingredients. We have onions, we have tomatoes, we have 3 kienyeji eggs, we have cooking oil, and finally we have salt. So my pan is already hot. I'll go ahead and put in some oil, some cooking oil, and then I'll add onions. I'm giving it some time to kitunguu ive so that we go to our next step. So today I'm using a red onion, which I feel always gives the best results for me. If you have the other white onion, you can also use it. So we want our onion to be to turn to golden brown. So I feel like my kitunguu is ready, and so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. I'm going to give it some time so that it cooks, and at the same time I'm going to add in some salt. So I'm going to give it some time so that it cooks. Yeah. It looks yummy already. So as nyanya cooks, you can as well cover it with something so that you can have the best results. As you can see, my nyanyas are almost ready. My tomatoes are almost ready. Let me give it some more time. And so it's at this time that I'm going to add my eggs, my kienyeji eggs, as you can see. And so after that, what I'm going to do is koroga and koroga, koroga and koroga. As per your taste, you can as well wait for tomatoes to cook more, zikuwe kasupu. But as for me, I don't like that, so I've just put in my eggs before my tomatoes overcook. And yeah, koroga and koroga and wait for the results. Be patient and give it some time. I like serving this kitoweo with ugali. There are some people who like using it with mchele or rice, according to your taste. But it is always tasty when you are using it with ugali, as I'm going to do right now. And so yeah, you see, the more you koroga, the more good results it gives. Ooh, look at this. It's about to turn into a good and nice color. So if you want the best results for this food, the secret is balancing nyanya with eggs. Don't make too much nyanyas and less eggs, because it's going to give you a bad result. So I'm also giving it some time and tuone venye itakuwa. So my food is ready, and so let's serve and see. So that is my mayai and tomatoes, and yeah, it's ready to be served and taken. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, and yeah, let's meet in our next video. Thank you.